So this is how to transfer an RRSP account to Wealthsimple. So once you guys open up Wealthsimple, at the very bottom, I want you to select the Move Money icon, or the third icon in between the magnifying glass and the clock. Once you're on the Move Money page right here, just scroll down a little bit to where it says Accounts. Two different options here, but what you want to select is Transfer Account to Wealthsimple. Press that. Then on this page right here, Connect, Transfer, Invest, go ahead and get started. You can then go ahead and select where your investment account currently is. So for example, if you have an account, let's just say through Manulife, or maybe you have an account through Sun Life, or whatever the case may be, and you want to transfer it, go ahead and select the institution that the account is for this demonstration. I'll just go ahead and use Questrade at the top as an example. Then once you're here, you can then sign in to Questrade for a faster experience, or you can also just enter the information manually. I will be doing that for this example. It'll then allow you to select which type of account you are transferring. So in this case, I'm going to select my RRSP account. So I'm going to go ahead and select that, and then go to the bottom and press Next. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and type in the account number, press on next, and basically just follow the steps which will come after that when it comes to transferring the RRSP. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can transfer an RRSP account to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.